Part of the curriculum design is to decide on different certifications that are going to be issued for various curriculum components. To create certificates, use the certification menu. Click the plus icon to add a new certificate. To start editing, click on the pen icon for the added certificate. Select the certificate academic level from the provided list. Then add the certificate title and the issuing authority. The Certificate For option will help you select if this certificate is a framework, program, course, or even a level from 1 to 10 that refers to a standard that might be defined outside the context of the curriculum components part of this platform. Additionally, you can add the information on achievement description and validity duration. Finally, make sure you save the changes by clicking the Save Changes button in the lower right corner. To print a certificate, as usual, you can simply click on the print icon in the upper right corner. That's all for this tutorial. Check out our other tutorials to learn more about the rest of the functionalities. Thank you for listening.